Welcome to Passionate Learners CNC Programming channel. In this video we will see FTP software setting in machine side and PC side. Open FTP software. Click on Setup menu. Click on Users option. Click on New User. Type username and press OK. Enter new password. Select the root directory where you save the program in a folder. Click on the directory access. Now tick the below options as shown in video. Click Save option. Then click Close. Click on Setup menu. Select FTP option. Enter value 21 in FTP port. Enter the IP address as entered in machine. Press Save and Close. Click on Server menu, select Start option. Type Network connection in Windows search bar. Click on Open option. Right-click on the mouse over the Ethernet connection and click on Properties. Now double-click on Internet Protocol version 4. Select Use the following IP address option. Type the first 3 IP address values same as entered in machine. Whereas the fourth IP address value should be different from that of machine. Subnet mask value should be same as machine. Press OK. Press OK. Open this PC. Open local disk C. Right-click on the folder where you save the program files. Click on Properties. Click on Sharing menu. Click on Share option. Click on drop-down arrow option. Select Everyone option. Click on Add button. Click on Permission level in Everyone. Then select Read and Write option. Now click on Share. You can see that the folder has been shared. Press System button. Press right arrow soft key 7 times until Embed Port option appears. Press Embed Port soft key. Under Common set the IP address is shown. Under Focus set the port number is shown. Press FTP soft key. Under Host IP address, type the computer IP address set in network connection. Enter the port number as 21. Enter the username same as entered in FTP software. Enter the password same as entered in FTP software. Enter the login folder same as set in FTP root directory. Press Restart. Then press Execute. Ensure I/O channel value to be 9. Press Program button. Press Folder soft key. Press OPRT soft key. Press Device Change soft key. Press Ethernet soft key. You can see that the program saved in the computer folder is displayed. Thank you for watching the video.